Chinatown. We're gonna get some, what's it called?
Fujian
food. Yeah.
So cold right now.
I know, Chloe's freezing.
Oh
These beef things actually.
$10 each.
This shit is straight cost. Damn. This shit is. Oh, it's cold. It's heavy. Pretty much. Like, the guy's shouting.
I had my first event tonight for New York Fashion Week, and it was for Givenchy for their new perfume launch, and it was so much fun. And then I went straight to bed because jet lag hits hard. I'm officially in New York. I'm only here for a couple of days, but it's gonna be such a fun few days, although I did wake up a little bit late today. We went to an event last night for New York Fashion Week, so I'm gonna be going to a few things while I'm here. And I also just came because my friend was like, you should come, and I was like, yeah, I should come. Like, I don't know, it was a bit spontaneous, but I'm really happy that I'm here. I'm gonna show you guys everything that I get up to this week. We have a New York Fashion Week agenda, some fun things, and just like gonna hang out. And I'm gonna try catch up with some people while I'm here, but also I'm only here for like 5-6 days, like proper days, so I guess we'll see what I actually do, but there's a lot of fun things. I'm also gonna give you guys a tour of this apartment before I go out because I want to go down to Trader Joe's and get some snacks. This is the book bag. It's like a very refreshing scent, and my name's on it. Pretty. I'm gonna give you guys a quick tour of this apartment, and after I'm gonna go down to Trader Joe's because I really want some sweet bread. Like, the bread in America is like a bit sweeter. There's like a bit of sugar or something nice, so I just love it. So we have the front door area, and then we look over and it's the kitchen down there, and then I guess we turn sideways, we have the mirror, and then we have the bathroom, which just looks like this. A shower in here, and then we come out, and then we go down this hallway. You can see the kitchen there, and then this is the bedroom. Also, there is a laundry and a dryer, which is insane because I know that a lot of places don't have that here, so that's super nice. This is Chloe and Wayne's room. Just have bed, the window, and the beautiful view. We walk back out into the kitchen area. Very efficient and compact. And then towards the left here we have the dining table and the view. And then over here we just have, oh my gosh, these are some flowers that we got from yesterday's event. This is just like a little working desk area. And then over here is my crib. This is where I reside. My couch bed, I just have a jacket and the blankie, and it's super cozy. And then we turn left and it's the view, and it's so nice. I was watching the sunrise the other day because I couldn't sleep because I arrived like first day. And then you have like a little couch area too. And then this is what it looks like looking inwards, so it's really bright. I can't believe it. I'm literally in New York. Like, this is so unplanned. Oh my god, I decided last week that I was coming. I'm gonna get changed and head down to Trader Joe's because I need to get some groceries, some snacks, because the fridge will be looking kind of empty, so I'm gonna stock up some things so we have food to eat tonight in case we get hungry. I'm gonna change something cuter. I'm gonna bring this bag to carry all of the groceries. I got almond beverage, orange juice, some ginormous blueberries and guac, salsa, and some of these tortilla chips because these are so yummy.
Do I need to bring like physical card, or do you think I...
Maybe I have to take 3 trains? Yeah, just like over here.
Chloe and I are making our way to the next place. Oh my god. Wait, this is so cute.
John, did you think Ecuador belly flat? Makes sense.
I'm picking up a bunch of goodies from this little gifting suite. There's so much stuff here. It's crazy. I'm gonna do like a little haul once we get back. There's so much stuff.
I'm gonna hustle for more shows. Yes. Now that we got Philip, then we gotta take good pics.
We're on our way back home and we're gonna go get ready because we have another thing on it. But luckily I feel like I'm decently ready and Chloe also looks ready, so it's fine. But we have 30 minutes. So
No, we don't actually. We have 20.
we got a lot of stuff and I want to show everything really, really fast. And I also have to get changed like right before we go. But some jeans from Madewell. This pair of jeans from Madewell. And they're so nice. And then we also got a bunch of goodies from this one gifting suite. I got this Urban Decay setting spray. I need to touch up this makeup, but I need to find my outfit for tonight. I think I'm going with an all white concept. This dress right here, I'm gonna pair it with a coat, some heels, and that's the outfit. Okay, I got changes my outfit, and I need to tie my hair up to a ponytail. This product right here is from Japan and it's the best thing. It like slicks your hair back. My hair's looking okay. Got a ponytail. I literally never wear ponytails. I don't know what has possessed me, but I think it just suits the look better. So I'm gonna do this and then maybe some glasses. Is that kind of cool? Oh damn, okay, we gotta go, we gotta go. Yeah, we're gonna drive now. Okay, we're leaving. Time to go, guys. There is no time for us. It's okay, we'll just be like, we'll just be as speedy as we can be. I'll be like, let's see your outfit. Very nice. Very nice. Yay! Very good, very good. Okay, we gotta go. I have to bring a camera with me too. Okay. Okay, we'll see you guys at the show. Look how many packages Chloe has. Freaking. No, Chloe's been here 3 days. Oh.
This is day 5. And
Okay.
the first day was an evening, so 3 full days. Oh my god, I don't even know what to do.
It's fine.
I don't even know what to do.
You need a luggage.
This is just so crazy.
Today has been so crazy. Like, I feel like this is the most I've done in a day in a long time. Also because I think we're in the city, and like when you're in the city you get to kind of move around a lot easier because everything's only like 10-20 minutes away. And I guess it's also because it's New York, so like it's really busy. But yeah, also I'm using the Laneige cream. But yeah, like it's insane. I feel like it's been such a crazy 2 days. Like I actually feel like I've been here for like a week when it's literally literally been 48 hours, but had so much fun today. I went to a couple events and they were so intense. Oh my gosh, like, yeah, the gifting suites here are like insane. I'm gonna do a little haul of what I got at these gifting suites. Also, shout out to Chloe for organizing this. She literally has been like my manager for the week. First thing we did today was go to Madewell, and they do like jeans, and I also got this skirt, but it didn't come. They didn't have my size, so like they had to order it in, but they're gonna send it to the apartment. But yeah, so I got a pair of dark wash flares. I also got a pair of like cream white wash jeans. So Ado Barrier skincare, 2 Urban Decay makeup setting sprays, Laneige peptide serum, which oh my god, I have the baby size and I really wanted a big size, and now I finally have a big size. Okay, I have an eyebrow product, Big Bush brow product, Urban Decay lip stain. Apparently this is like super pink. 2 hair lipsticks. These are like the ones that Black Jenny represents, and I finally got a red shade. I also picked up this perfume. Looks like this. I got toe socks because I'm actually not sure if these are for Pilates, but I do Pilates. So blobs, these are like these little gummies and they taste so good. Last place was Say Beauty. We literally ran into this place after our like event. This powder, I'm so excited to try this. Is a Say product. Okay, this is like bronzer drops, which I haven't tried like the actual bronzer drops, but I'm excited to try this. Oh my god, stop, that's amazing. This is what I need. Like, I need to do my contour like this. Okay, we have a dewy blush. Wait, this is so cute. 2 mascaras and this lip product. Thank you so much to Chloe and also all of these brands, because that is just, this is the coolest thing. It never gets old. When I get back to Sydney, I'll try to do like a little PR giveaway, because I actually have a lot of PR at home, so I'll sort that out when I'm back home. Follow my Instagram because I'm probably gonna do it on there just because it's easier to communicate and like pick a winner and things. I've been reading this book, The Fourth Wing, and I read 500 pages in less than 24 hours, which is 5/7 of the book, and I have 200 pages left, and everyone should read this book. It's a fantasy adult romance, and it's enemies to lovers, but they're enemies, you know? So just do yourself a favor and read this book. My friend was like, this book is like the highlight of my year last year, and I was like, I can't start the year reading it, and I read it and it's only the beginning of the year. It was a mistake because I don't know if I can find anything better. Good night. I had a really busy first 2 days in New York, and the next vlog is going to be jam-packed as well. I can't wait for you guys to see. Here's a little sneak peek. We have a bunch of events, a lot of just daily living, daily life routine while I'm here in NYC. So I'm excited to show you guys what I get up to, and I'll see you guys in the next video.